Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to talk to you about performing shrugs in our boot camp workouts. Now I'm going to demonstrate this using a pair of dumbbells. Occasionally we will also do this exercise with a pair of kettlebells, and occasionally we will also offer an advanced option with a barbell. But I'm going to break down some of the basics of performing our shrug. A shrug, of course, is going to emphasize our trap muscles. So when you perform your shrug with a pair of dumbbells, you're going to start by keeping those dumbbells straight by your sides in a neutral position, right like so. Not necessarily forward, right by our sides, okay? Now, biggest coaching cue for you today is going to be the movement of the shoulders. When you perform a shrug, what you don't want to do is bring those shoulders forward. Instead, I'm going to lift my shoulders up, almost as if I'm trying to touch my ears with my shoulders, and at the same time, I'm going to pull them back. So a proper shrug is up and back, pause for a second, and then come back down, right like so, okay? I want to emphasize full range of motion, so all the way down, almost until I get a good stretch in my traps, and then pull shoulders right up towards my ears, up and back, and then back down. Now, really emphasize that contraction. As an advanced option, you can have your clients pause their shrug at the very top. And if you have somebody that's struggling with the movement itself, my recommendation for coaching on you is just going to be to lighten the weights, have them do something a little bit lighter, a little bit easier, so they really feel that stress in their traps where they're supposed to. Anyway, guys, use those coaching cues the next time we do any sort of shrug, including our dumbbell shrugs, in one of our boot camp classes.